The TigerShark is Britain's latest step into the future of strike warfare, an autonomous drone designed to rival and even replace cruise missiles. Developed by MGI Engineering, this unmanned system can deliver a powerful 300 kg warhead over a range of 750 kilometers, making it a formidable tool for deep strike missions. Unlike traditional missiles, TigerShark offers flexibility and lower cost, which are crucial factors in modern conflicts where cruise missiles are often too expensive for large-scale use. Its ability to launch from the ground or an aircraft with the help of a rocket booster makes it adaptable to different combat scenarios without relying on complex infrastructure. One of its most striking features is the advanced navigation system that allows it to operate without GPS. Using terrain mapping, inertial navigation, and onboard edge computing powered by Auterion technologies, TigerShark can adjust its route in real time and resist enemy electronic warfare. This resilience makes it more likely to succeed in environments where traditional systems would struggle. The drone also uses a modular payload system, meaning it can carry not just high explosive warheads but also electronic warfare equipment or decoys. Its open architecture allows upgrades and integration of new technologies, ensuring long-term relevance on the battlefield. Compared to cruise missiles, TigerShark delivers similar strike capabilities but at a fraction of the cost. This affordability makes it possible to mass produce and deploy in larger numbers, giving militaries an edge in prolonged conflicts. Unlike many other drones, it is built to carry heavier payloads and perform in hostile electronic environments, making it a stronger and more versatile option for deep operations. Positioned as a solution for anti-access, area denial systems, TigerShark represents a shift toward smarter, cheaper, and more flexible strike assets. With its combination of range, payload capacity, autonomy, and resistance to countermeasures, TigerShark could mark the beginning of a new generation of drones capable of reshaping strike doctrine. Britain's innovation in this field may open the door to widespread adoption of autonomous deep strike platforms, changing how future wars are fought.